In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a logo transparent with Photopea. We'll take a regular logo image and turn the background invisible so you can place it cleanly on websites, slides, or merch without any unwanted edges. The best part is we're doing it in Photopea, a free browser-based editor that feels a lot like Photoshop. Start by opening your web browser and heading to photopea.com. Once the page loads, choose Open from Computer. Select the image file that contains your logo and click to open it. Give it a second to load on the canvas. Now look up at the top menu and click Select, then choose Magic Cut. Magic Cut is Photopea's quick way to separate the subject from the background using simple brush hints. Inside the Magic Cut window, you'll see two brush options, green to mark what you want to keep and red for what you want to remove. Click the green brush. Paint over the logo itself to tell Photopea, this is the part I want to keep. You don't have to cover every pixel. Broad, confident strokes work well. If you need to be more precise, zoom in and adjust your brush size so you can carefully trace around edges and corners. Next, click the red brush. Paint over the background around the logo. Again, think of it as guidance rather than coloring in every spot. Alternate between green and red as needed until the preview looks clean. If you make a mistake, switch to the other color and paint over the area to correct it. Keep an eye on fine details like inside letters or around curves where backgrounds often hide. When you're happy with the preview, click OK. You should now see your logo isolated with a checkerboard pattern where the background used to be. That checkerboard indicates transparency and is exactly what we want for a clean, professional result. To save it properly, go to File, then Export As, and choose PNG. PNG supports transparency, so your logo will stay clean when you place it over different colors or images. In the Export window, you can keep the default settings. Just make sure transparency is preserved. Then click Save, and your file will download to your computer. That's it, you've made your logo background transparent using Photopea's Magic Cut. Open it in your presentation, website, or design tool, and it should sit perfectly on any background. If your logo has complex edges, spend a little extra time with the brushes to refine the preview before exporting. Thanks for watching and enjoy your crisp, transparent logo.